Hey guys, welcome back to the kitchen. If you're new here, welcome. And to my returning subscribers, welcome back. I'm AD, and on this channel I share my love for cooking, cleaning, and everything in between. In today's video, I'll be making bacon bourbon burgers with a side of fried green plantains. So if you like these types of videos, just keep watching.
First up, I'll start by making the burger patties by adding the following ingredients. After adding all my seasonings, I'll mix it all together, but I'll make sure not to overmix it because overmixing it will cause me to have a dense and heavy burger patty. I've separated my mixture in 4 and now I'll form the patties. Green plantains is the starchier and lower in sugar cousin to the bananas. It's kind of a substitute to potato fries and it's widely used in the Caribbean. Top them off with a bit of sea salt, mix well, and they'll be ready for frying. I'll be adding some caramelized onions to the burgers, so I'll go ahead and slice those up and get them ready. And as always, a list of all the ingredients and quantities will be in the description box below. I've added about a tablespoon of butter to my pan, and I'll go ahead and toast my burger buns. Now I love my bacon when it's crispy, but let me know how you like it in the comment section below. I'll fry my plantains in vegetable oil just until they're golden brown. Time to drain the bacon and pat dry them to get as much of the oil out. The plantains are golden brown, so I'll remove them from the oil and place them on a baking sheet lined with paper towel. Time to get the onions caramelized. I have a mixture of honey and bourbon, and I'll add this to the onions just to make them a little sweeter. Time to add the burger patties to my grill pan. I'll grill the patties on each side for 4 to 5 minutes. Then in the last minute, I'll add my cheese. on to my favorite part, plating. I'll now add my secret sauce to the buns, but I'll be sure to have the ingredients for this listed in the description box below. There you have it, guys. Bacon bourbon burgers with a side of fried green plantains. I hope you give this a try. Thanks for the continued support. Continue to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you get notified every Friday when I post. Bye!